Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeff. So in this video, we're going to check out EXO's medley in Japan, the concert EXO'rDIUM. So we have White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. Artificial Love is heavily suggested ever since I did the Eve reaction, so I don't know what to expect. Scared because y'all like me dying, basically. Okay, so let's get to this. Okay, here we go. Nice! Oh! Lay's here! Chenyao! Oh, get it! Dio, that was so cute. That's a nice shot of legs. Wait. Cameraman's doing his work. Like slide though. Nice. Oh. His vocals are so good. By the way, they're all are so good right now. Like obviously they're in the best condition because it's a concert, and that stage though, it is so satisfying for performers to have a stage like that where you're just like elevated and you just can do your thing. Oh, they went lower. Nice. The harmonization is so good. It's so difficult to harmonize in a big space like that. That's why they have in-ears, because then they can hear their own voices, as well as they can control the levels of the harmonies that they're hearing, or like the cheers that they're hearing. If they want to hear the cheers, or if they don't want to hear the audience at all, they can adjust all those in the on the earpiece. There's the freaking rain! Oh no! Damn, he's got like that little pop too. Boom. Like little details like that make for such a good and dynamic performance. The licks. So R&B. Like the way Dio plays with notes is so effortless. So for falsetto like that, like Baekhyun, he does it so well. So I've talked about this in my other videos, the vowel shape for an E sound. It's usually hard to do an E sound on a high note, but it's actually easier to do when it's a falsetto. I don't know why, but it just is. Yes, Lay. I love this hair on Chanyeol. Sehun. Nice. Oh my god. The falsetto into the full voice. Oh, they do this so effortlessly. Hold on. Damn. Yes. Schumann. Hold on. Yeah. It's so weird seeing Lay with the group. I don't know why. I feel like just because I kind of knew him firstly as a soloist, so him in a group, it's kind of weird to me. Oh my god, he's flirting so hard. Okay, I think that was white noise. Now it's thunder. Yeah. Damn. He was so hesitant. Nice. They have such a contrasting tone to Dio and Chen. Chen's is lighter, but it's powerful and high, and Dio's is a lot fuller and it's rounded. I haven't heard him a lot doing belts though. It'd be interesting to see. I'm sure he can do it. Ooh. This look on... Oh my god, Jungmin. Kai's look is superior here. That duality though, can you... It's inexplainable. He switched like 1 second from like being cute to like that sexy vibe. Like how? Is that Lay's voice? Nice. Because I'm so used to him not doing that vocally centric song. Because for Honey and Lit, it wasn't that kind of singing. His outfit though. Whoa! Hip thrusting. Yes, get it. Wow. Oh, my Baekhyun is a pro. Like, just the way he throws his notes so effortlessly. Damn. Playboy. Yo, he flirts. Oh my god. Suho, cute. I like all of these songs. They're all going on my playlist. Ooh. This choreography is so fitting for the title of the song. Okay, wait, this move by Xiumin reminds me of like how people dance in the club and they're just like too drunk to actually dance. They're just like grooving at that point. Nice harmony. Oh. Who's doing that ooh part in the back? It was so long. That's a very long ass breath. Who's that? Oh, Bacon, of course. Nice. Ooh. Yes! It's like one after the other. Yo. This is Artificial Love. We got canes. Nice popping beat. Okay, the way he touched that cane is very illegal. See how gracefully he did this? What is this, Magic Mike? It's twerking and everything. Why is he grabbing his crotch? Dancing with props is always very hard because anything can go wrong. It can slip, especially that looks like steel or it has a little bit of weight. It could slip and it just ruins the whole thing. But obviously this is a concert, so they could just edit that and not use that frame if they catch it on camera. Like that part, they could easily miss it. Wait, what? Wait, what? What is that? Damn! Yo, this is what? Better than Magic Mike, and they're not even stripping yet. Wait, I wanna go back. Damn! Y'all have a gif of that on your phone. I know you do. Ooh. What the hell? I can't even focus on the song. Thank you, back here. You're distracting me. Oh my god, that turn? Oh, could easily fall. Nice. Yo! Look at Chin. Oh my god, that camera angle is gold. I feel so perverted watching this. Okay, they let go of the cane, so we're safe. Damn, that lick. Wait, I thought we were safe. Hold on. Lei is... It's mind-blowing that just like a gesture like that sends you. Come on. Yeah. What album is this? Is it not done yet? Oh, there's a blindfold. What? And Lei's doing it too? No! Being elevated now. I'm like so scared. Beautiful dancing though. Can't even dissect this. Nice. Oh. But, oh, his eyes were actually closed. So the safety in that is okay. Good. It wasn't that harmful. Okay, yeah, let me know what era and album this is, because I think I'm inclined to buy the album. Just a very good medley. White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, Artificial Love. That's a very nice medley. Very vocally centric, but still it gave room for some dancing. That kind of dancing. You guys, stop with these suggestions, because I don't know how you guys are surviving these. Like, is there anything else? Like, come on, you guys did. There's like the Eve, Love Shot, and then this. Yeah. Send them my way. Send them my way. Well, thank you guys for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, do like and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you tick that notification bell so you don't miss any content from me. And if you'd like to get to know more about me, do check out my Instagram and Twitter down below.